You know how I feel about Mary. I should do a walk-in, right? That's what people usually do. They walk in. What's up, y'all? Fly morning. Welcome back to another video, alright? Today I want to talk about some new beard grooming items that I just purchased, and I had to make a video about it, alright? So let's get it. Now, I'm always on the move, I'm always on the go, so before any photo shoot, before any daily task, I like to make sure that I'm right, okay? I'm real big on self-care, and I've been letting my beard grow out since about March, I believe. Really looking into the maintenance, beard care, and maintaining my beard. So, I've been using other products, but I've been using these new products for a little over a week, and I can already definitely feel a difference in my beard, okay? The company is called Classic Grooming. It's made from two gentlemen from the bearded community on YouTube. They was my go-to guys for beard tips and beard care. So it made sense to me to invest and support and purchase these products once they dived into the beard care line. I initially went with the beard oil and the beard butter. They also have a beard shampoo and a beard conditioner, but I started off with the beard oil and the beard butter. Off top, they smell great. They smell amazing. I believe that the description for the scent is like a warm, inviting tobacco. I didn't really know what to expect, but when I got the products, I love the scent. It's subtle. My lady loves it. I love it. I usually go for unscented oils and butters because I don't like the scents clashing with my cologne, but these items do not do that at all, okay? That's the first thing that I noticed is the scent. You're gonna love this scent. I'm gonna get about a good 5 to 7 hours of scent from these products. I believe average is 4 to 5 hours. I honestly don't know because I'm coming from using unscented products, but I hear it's 4 to 5 hours usually. This, you're gonna get 5 to 7 hours. Running my fingers through my beard, I can still smell a scent, and I really like the smell. The oil leans towards a thicker consistency, and that's something that I like. The ingredients in the oil are apricot oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, castor oil, almond oil, Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil for the smell. Okay, real good oil. I really like it. Okay, next is the beard butter. Now the beard butter is a thicker consistency from my previous beard butter, and I assume that's because of the mango butter in the product. My previous beard butter was a lot smoother, but this is just great, breaks down just fine. Once again, it smells great. The ingredients in this product is shea butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, Jamaican black castor oil, almond oil, and essential oil blend for the smell. Love this stuff, okay? Feels great in my beard, smells great, great products. Overall, my beard, I don't know if dense is the proper word, but my beard just feels fuller. It doesn't feel frail. Like, I'm confident if I incorporate these products into my routine that even on the coldest day, my beard will still feel great. My beard will still feel like quality and still feel moisturized. This is not like a beard channel. I'm not a beard expert or anything like that. But once again, I really just wanted to make this video because I highly recommend these products. They're a new company and they're made from two gentlemen from the bearded community. So for me, it feels like for us, by us, you know what I mean? How can you not support that and invest in that, okay? So I want you guys to check them out for yourself. Classic Grooming. Follow their Instagram. Check out the website. And this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. Once again, this is just my, like, I like getting new stuff. I like getting new equipment and new like little knickknacks and things like that because I really get excited. That's like the nerd in me or whatever. And this is just another one of those things. I was really excited to receive these products and I just wanted to make a video about it, alright? So check them out for yourself, man. Classic Grooming. They have a newfound customer. I'm gonna support them and I'm gonna rock with them. I will see you guys at the next video. Leave me your feedback in the comments, alright? See you guys at the next video.